Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Streamlabs OBS for recording in 4K quality. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading and installing Streamlabs OBS from the official website. Once installation is complete, launch the application. You will be greeted with a setup wizard. Follow the prompts to link your Streamlabs account if prompted. In the main interface, navigate to the settings by clicking the gear icon in the lower left corner. Select the Video tab from the Settings menu. Set the base resolution to 3840 by 2160 for 4K recording. Next, adjust the output resolution to the same 3840 by 2160 settings. Scroll down to the Common FPS Values section. Choose either 30 or 60 FPS based on your preference and hardware capability. Now, move to the Output tab in the Settings. Change the output mode to Advanced for more detailed control. In the Recording section, select the recording format you prefer, such as MP4 or MKV. Next, adjust the video bitrate by setting it between 25,000 to 50,000 kbps for optimal 4K quality. Make sure to select a suitable encoder, ideally a hardware encoder if available. Now, return to the Audio tab in the Settings. Set the sample rate to 48 kHz for better quality audio. Add audio sources by clicking the plus icon in the Sources box. Select your display or specific window you want to record. Adjust the audio levels in the mixer to ensure your voice and game audio balance well. After setting your sources, you can preview your scene. When satisfied with your setup, click Start Recording on the main interface. To stop recording, simply click Stop Recording. Your recorded footage will be saved in the location specified in the settings. You can now view the recorded 4K video and make any edits if necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.